Welcome to FitGen, the home of fitness inspiration, transformation, and energy. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey that is simple, effective, and designed for everyone. This is not just another workout video, it's your personal 15-minute dance session that will help you lose weight fast, build stamina, and most importantly, make fitness fun. At FitGen, we believe that workouts should never feel like a boring task. Instead, they should bring joy, rhythm, and a sense of freedom. Dancing is the perfect way to combine exercise and enjoyment. It keeps your body moving, your heart pumping, and your mind smiling. So, let's prepare ourselves for 15 minutes that will change how you think about working out forever. Take a moment to think about your fitness journey. Maybe you've tried gyms, diets, or endless jogging sessions. Maybe you've promised yourself that you'll stay consistent, only to lose motivation halfway. But what if I told you that working out doesn't need to be something you dread? What if it could feel like a celebration, a dance party, a moment of joy you look forward to every single day? That's exactly what this 15-minute dance workout is about. With no equipment required, no complicated moves, and no expensive memberships, you'll discover the power of movement right in your own home. Now picture this you, standing in your living room, bedroom, or any small space you can clear out. The music begins to play, your body begins to sway, and suddenly, fitness doesn't feel like punishment. It feels like freedom. This workout is designed for beginners and advanced movers alike, so no matter your level, you'll find yourself enjoying every second. And don't worry if you don't get the moves perfect right away. This is about progress, not perfection. Every step you take is a step closer to a healthier, stronger, more confident version of yourself. Think of dance as more than just movement, it's therapy, it's energy, it's self-expression. When you move your body to the beat, your brain releases endorphins, those wonderful chemicals that make you feel happy and alive. It relieves stress, melts away anxiety, and builds confidence. In just 15 minutes, you're not only burning calories, you're boosting your mood, strengthening your muscles, and investing in your health. And remember, consistency is key. Even small daily habits, like doing this quick workout, can add up to big results. This workout is structured in a way that makes it easy to follow. We'll start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your body, easing into the rhythm. Then we'll move into more energetic dance moves that will raise your heart rate and torch calories. We'll follow that with high-intensity bursts of cardio-inspired dance to really push your body into fat-burning mode. Finally, we'll end with a cool-down, slowing the pace, calming the breath, and stretching the muscles. In just 15 minutes, you'll have completed a full-body workout that leaves you energized and proud. At FitGen, our mission goes beyond exercise. We want to inspire you to stay committed, to believe in yourself, and to know that transformation is possible. Many people give up because they think fitness requires hours at the gym or complicated routines. But with this workout, you'll realize that just 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Whether your goal is to lose weight, tone your body, or simply feel better in your own skin, this is your starting point. And the best part? You'll enjoy it so much, you'll want to come back tomorrow. So, before we dive in, here are a few things to keep in mind. Stay hydrated, listen to your body, and give yourself permission to have fun. If a move feels too hard, modify it. If you lose the rhythm, don't stress, just keep moving. Every movement counts. Every drop of sweat is proof that you're doing the work. And every minute you give to yourself today will reward you tomorrow. Remember, this is not just exercise. This is about building a lifestyle. Each time you press play on a FitGen video, you're choosing to invest in yourself. You're choosing confidence, strength, and health. And the beautiful part is, you're not alone. People all over the world are joining this movement, pressing play just like you, sweating, smiling, and changing their lives one workout at a time. Together, we are a family, a global community, a movement called FitGen. And now, it's time to begin. Stand tall, smile wide, and get ready to dance your way to fitness. Let's do this together, because your journey to a healthier, happier you starts right here, right now, with us. Welcome to FitGen. Warm-up, minutes 1 to 3. Before we jump into the energetic moves, let's prepare the body with a gentle warm-up. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, begin marching in place and let your arms swing naturally by your side. Slowly, roll your shoulders back as you breathe in deeply, then forward as you exhale. Feel your chest opening, your spine lengthening, and your body waking up. Now take it side to side, stepping left and right with a soft bend in the knees. Add a gentle sway of the arms, almost like you're moving with the ocean's rhythm. This isn't about speed, it's about preparing your body for what's to come. Let your hips circle slowly, loosening the lower back, and feel your muscles warm as the blood begins to flow. In these moments, focus on your breathing, deep inhales, strong exhales, reminding yourself that you are here, you are present, and you are ready. Workout Phase 1. Now that your body is awake, let's move into the first phase of our dance workout. Start with a basic step touch, step to the right, bring the left foot in, then repeat to the other side. Add your arms by clapping above your head every second step. Keep it light, keep it fun, and let your body settle into the beat. From here, move into a grapevine step, step to the side, cross one foot behind the other, step out again, and tap. Let your arms flow naturally, moving in rhythm with your body. Smile, because this is where the fun begins. Once you're comfortable, add some hip sways. As you step side to side, swing your hips with intention, engaging your core and letting your body loosen. Feel your abs tighten as you twist, your legs strengthen as they carry your weight, and your arms energize the movement. You are not just burning calories, you're sculpting your body. By now, your heart rate should be rising, your breath deepening, and your body settling into the rhythm of this workout. Don't fight it, flow with it. Workout Phase 2, Cardio Burst. It's time to elevate the energy. From the grapevine, transition into jumping jacks with big arm swings. Keep your jumps light, land softly, and push your arms strong to the sides and overhead. Feel the burn in your legs, the power in your arms, and the energy flowing through your whole body. From there, shift into knee lifts with strong forward punches. As your right knee lifts, punch with your left arm. As your left knee lifts, punch with your right arm. Imagine you're punching through all doubts, all stress, all negativity. This is your moment of strength. Next, step into the box step with hops. Step forward with your right, cross your left, step back, and step to the side, then add a light hop at the end. Keep the rhythm going, and let the bounce drive your energy higher. This combination will challenge your coordination while keeping your heart rate in the fat-burning zone. Sweat is your body's way of saying thank you. Feel it, embrace it, celebrate it. Push yourself in this round, but always remember, if you need to modify, slow down and march in place. Progress comes with persistence, not perfection. By now, your body should be fully alive, heart racing, muscles firing, and mind focused. This is where transformation begins. Every step you take is a reminder of your strength, your willpower, and your commitment to becoming better. Workout Phase 3, Groove and Flow. Now that your heart rate is up and your body is fully awake, let's shift into the groove. This phase is all about flow, rhythm, and letting go of any stiffness. Start with big side steps, step wide to the right, then to the left, swinging your arms across your body as if you're painting the air with energy. Add a little bounce in your knees, and let your shoulders move naturally. Feel the rhythm guiding you, not just your muscles. From here, add in some body waves. Start from your chest, roll the movement through your torso, and let it ripple down to your hips. It doesn't matter if it looks perfect, what matters is that you feel it. This move not only strengthens your core but also gives your spine flexibility. Now combine the side steps with arm swings and body waves, creating a freestyle flow that makes you feel alive. This isn't about following every move exactly, it's about making the workout your own. Bring in some playful arm circles and spins if you like. This is your moment to shine, to imagine you're at a dance party or in a club with friends, moving freely and confidently. The more you let go, the more calories you burn, and the more your body thanks you. Remember, dancing is about joy, not judgment. So smile, laugh, and move like nobody's watching. Cool down. After such a powerful workout, it's time to bring the energy down gently and give your body the recovery it deserves. Begin with slow side steps, arms floating upward as you inhale deeply, then lowering as you exhale. Feel the calm returning, your heartbeat gradually slowing. Lift your arms overhead again, interlace your fingers, and gently stretch side to side, lengthening the muscles that worked so hard. Now roll your shoulders back 3 times, then forward 3 times, releasing any tension in your upper body. Step your right leg forward, bend slightly, and stretch your hamstring by reaching toward your toes. Hold for a breath, then switch to the left leg. Feel the stretch flowing through the back of your legs. Next, stand tall, clasp your hands behind your back, and gently push your chest forward to open up the chest and lungs. Finally, place your hands on your hips, take a slow circle with your torso, and let every muscle relax. Close your eyes for a moment if you like, and simply breathe. Inhale strength, exhale stress. This is the moment where you honor yourself, where you appreciate the effort you just gave, and where you remind yourself that you are capable of so much more than you think. Cooling down isn't just physical, it's mental too. It tells your mind that you've completed the challenge, that you showed up for yourself, and that you are stronger than yesterday. Carry this feeling with you for the rest of your day. Part 4. Closing with like, subscribe and FitGen logo. Congratulations, you did it. You've just completed a 15-minute dance workout at home that has fired up your body, lifted your mood, and proven that fitness can be fun. Think about how you feel right now. Your heart is strong, your muscles are awake, and your mind is refreshed. You've burned calories, boosted your energy, and taken another step on your journey to a healthier, happier version of yourself. This isn't just a workout, it's a statement. It's you saying, I care about my body, I care about my health, and I am committed to my transformation. At FitGen, we believe in the power of consistency. Doing this 15-minute dance workout once is an achievement, but making it part of your routine is what creates lasting change. Imagine repeating this session 3, 4, or 5 times a week. Your body will start to feel lighter, your stamina will grow stronger, and your confidence will shine brighter. In just a few weeks, you'll notice the difference not only in your body but also in your energy levels, your posture, and your mindset. This is the beauty of short, powerful workouts. They fit into your life, they keep you engaged, and they bring real results. So take a deep breath, smile, and give yourself credit. You showed up today, and that's half the battle. The other half is celebrating your effort and making the decision to keep going. Remember, no workout is ever wasted. Every drop of sweat, every beat of your heart, every step you took just now, it's all part of building the stronger, healthier version of you. We want you to know that you are not alone on this journey. Thousands of people around the world are pressing play on FitGen videos every day, dancing, sweating, and transforming just like you. Together, we are building a family, a global fitness community. When you join us, you're not just doing a workout, you're becoming part of something bigger. A movement that celebrates health, beauty, and strength for both men and women everywhere. And now, it's time for your next step. If you enjoyed this session, and we know you did, make sure to like this video right now. It tells us that you want more dance workouts, more energy, and more fitness fun delivered straight to you. Then, don't forget to subscribe to the FitGen channel if you haven't already. One click connects you to an endless library of workouts, health tips, and motivational content designed to keep you moving forward. And for those who want to stay updated with every new video we release, hit that notification bell because we upload content regularly, and we don't want you to miss a single beat.